Radiant sunlight shines on the red.
Quack, quack! Follow me, ducklings. Don't worry, we're almost there. The sound of the ground cracking, squealing from the pigs. Sunlight partially obscured by smoke. Help! Help! Over here! Help! Watch out! Help! The barn is burning! Run fast! Keep up! Don't look back! Hurry! This way! Horses neighing loudly. The fire is roaring, engulfed in glowing red light.
Ba 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 ba.
Thump, sizzle. Whiz.
Ba ba.
Gum. Ba ba ba. Fire, fire in the hay. Jump, jump, goats away. Running, jumping, don't delay.
Lou! Get back! Get back! Lou! Lou! Oh no! That's too close! Come on, we have to go! Move! Bart! Bart! Lou! Hurry! Over here! Bart! Bart! We made it! Bart! Help, Lou! Hurry! Run! Woof, woof. We made it! Oh, that was close.
Are you okay, boy?
Wine.
It's okay, we're safe, thank goodness.
Everything is gone.
Whimper!
At least I still have you, boy. No! My farm, it's all gone! What have I done to deserve this? Phone ringing. Hello! 911! Please help me, the barn is on fire!
Fire ahead! Move it!
Right behind you. Let's go. Keep pushing, we're almost through. It's moving, we can lift it. Just a little more. Now.
Moo?
Hi, there you are. It's okay, buddy. We've got you.
Woof woof!
You're safe now, little friend.
Good boy!
Oh, thank goodness!
You're safe!
We got him back, MacDonald. He's okay. You're safe, buddy.
Hooray!
We're so glad you're okay.
Thank you, firefighters.
Bam, bam, bam. Look, I built this barn. Yay, time for fun.
Thud, thud, thud.
Welcome, everyone.
Woof woof!
Quack, quack.
Meow. Winnie. Bleat. Quack. Quack. Quack.
E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he has some goats with a bleat.
Nice work, team!
Oh, thank you. You saved my best friend.
Almost there. Just a little more.
Ah, look at that. Perfect. We did it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Quack. Quack. Quack.
Ba ba ba. 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 Ha ha ha.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had some ducks.
Quack. Quack. Here. Quack. Cock-a-doodle-doo. munch. Hmm? Hmm. Hmm.
Clanging hammer sounds. Dramatic music.
Left, right, attack. Left, right, attack. Left, right, attack. This is so fun! Keep hitting it, we can break this! Look at the pieces fly. Tweet, tweet. Munch, munch. Tweet, tweet. Munch. Tweet, tweet. Ouch! Party time! Yeah! Smash that sugar! Let's break these sweets! Party time! Woohoo! Pop, pop! Drill, drill! Yeah! We did it! Hooray! Dance, dance! Victory! We broke the tooth! Hooray! Dancing round the pieces.
Time to get to work.
Let's crack this open.
Ooze, ooze, lovely ooze.
Chirp, chirp. Squishy, squishy. Chirp. Ah, that hurts. Ah! Screams echoing. The sound of smashing and splashing. We did it! Yeah! Victory!
Look at it fall. So much yummy stuff.
The animals groan, layered with the drill sound. Red light from the gums creates a sense of pain. Clink! Clink! We're cracking it! Yay! Almost there! Hooray!
Beep boop, beep boop. Intense sunlight shines on the vehicle's glass. Open wide, little friend. That's a good pig. A cavity. Don't worry, we'll fix you right up, buddy.
Scrub, scrub goes the brush and soap bubbles. Look how brilliant and white that foam is.
Sweat, sweat.
Wow, look at those shiny teeth.
Ồ,难写，难读诶。哇呀！ You're such a good sheep, healthy and happy. Keep up the great work.
All right, just a little scrape. Hold still. Good horse.
You're doing great. Almost done.
Time for a little buzz. Bah, what is that?
Keep still, little buddy. Bah. Gagging sounds. Just a little longer. Bleat. Chewing sounds.
Time to get those pearly whites sparkling. Swoosh.
Oh, swoosh. Much better. Much better. Thanks, Doc.
Keep your teeth healthy and bright, just like these happy farm animals.
Oh.
Use a brush and paste every morning and night.
Thanks a bunch, Doc. Huh? The bunch, Doc.
Goodbye. Take care. Oink. Bye-bye.
Tee. Fun, sneaky music begins. Clear, crisp, white morning light. Kick. Flickering light creates a mysterious sensation. Kick. Shh. Oops. Boop. Oh no! Look at the pink pigs! Oink, oink, look at the bubbles! Oink, oink, jump higher! You guys are silly!
Oh. What? What in the world?
Gupta. Sneaky. Gupta. The monkey swaps the white eggs for brightly colored balls. Look at my fake eggs. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Cock-a-doodle-doo. The monkey hides behind the hay to observe the hen's reaction. I'm juggling eggs with all my might. Look out! They're going up so high. Oh my!
Oh no!
Eek.
You! Are you all right? You little rascal, look what you've done. You'll pay for this.
Chatter, fooled ya.
Get back here.
Time for a lightning bolt look.
What's a lightning bolt?
Like this.
Oh, wow.
Baba, your hair is quite bright.
Look at his face.
Oh my, what a color.
Chug. The tractor engine pops. Chug. Black smoke bellows from the exhaust. Engine roaring. Thick black smoke everywhere. Hey, watch out!
Watch out!
Crash! Straw flying everywhere. Chickens squawking in panic.
Help, Sheriff. I need you right away.
All right, I'm here. What's the problem, Mr. McDonald?
Cool.
We set the bananas here.
And the cage springs shut?
Exactly.
Perfect.
Let's go.
The bananas are in.
All right, checking the latch. Secure.
Let's hide over here.
We got him now.
Bang. Oh no! Help! I'm scared! I want my mommy! Please let me out! You shouldn't have done that.
I know, I'm sorry. I forgive you. Let's go home, everyone.
Swish, swish. Good job, little one.
Tap, the seeds land.
That's it. Put it right here.
Bang, we're fixing the fence together. Hiss, soap bubbles popping. Water spraying from the hose. Bubbles. Cock-a-doo.
Cock-a-doodle-doo. Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Cluck, cluck.
Discipline is important, Bella. We need to be strong for our chicks.
Cluck. Keep warm, my little ones. Is that a wiggle?
Someday, my children will rule this farm. It's the perfect plan.
Don't worry, my children. Mommy's here. La, what a pretty leaf.
Ah!
Cluck, cluck, cluck. What was that? Mama, hug me, please. I will always hug you, my precious little one.
Don't touch me.
Quack, quack!
What was that? Explain right now.
What exactly is that blue bird? What is this creature?
Where did it come from?
Don't you dare try to explain this to me.
I swear to you, I have never. I don't know where it came from. Please just listen to me.
You shouldn't have done that.
Barnaby, don't leave us, please. Daddy?
Come back.
Small whimper.
I couldn't have it. It just doesn't make any sense, right? Right?
I missed this.
I missed us.
I was wrong. I was proud and I was stupid. I'm sorry. I know you are.
I know you.
Look at all of it. It's all still here.
It was always here.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
The adventure is just beginning.
Oh, what a day!
Whee!